Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how to make your own cat eye gel color, so you don't have to buy every single color of cat eye. If you have opaque color gel or even sheer color gel, I will show you how to transform it to cat eye gel polish. So this color gel that I'm using is not that opaque. So if you have that sheer gel color or you have like jelly gel polish, then that's perfect for this because you don't want to use any opaque gel color. So after applying one layer and curing it, I'm going to apply a silver cat eye gel polish. So after applying one layer, you can use a magnet to then design your anything cat eye design that you want. So here I'm just doing a basic design, so I'm just using a magnet side by side so the shine is in the middle. Once you like how it looks, you can now cure it in LED light, and after that you can then apply your top coat and you can cure it for 1 minute. So as you guys can see, it's as simple as that. You don't have to buy any other cat eye gel color. You can achieve it by doing this. So the second method is that if you have a opaque gel color, you can mix top coat and that color gel that you have and just mix it, and you will have that sheer gel color. So after mixing everything, you can then apply it on your nails. Make sure that it is not opaque, because if you actually use a solid gel color and then applying cat eye gel on top of it, actually the cat eye gel will look patchy. So try to avoid any opaque gel color. So same steps, just apply the color, cure it, and then apply the cat eye gel and do your own design, and then cure and top coat and cure again. So the other way is that you can just have fun with it. So basically just use any glitter gel polish first, and then on top of it you can use any cat eye gel color, like there's blue or green cat eye gel. Here I am using a blue cat eye gel polish, and yeah. So that is basically it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video and hopefully found it helpful, and if you did, just give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.